Hello students of class 2nd, myself Jigna Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you English Grammar chapter number 13 is RM part 1. Students, there are few points to remember as we use am, is and are to show the present. We use am when we talk about ourselves. We can use am only with I. We use is with he, she, it or singular nouns. We use are with we, you, they or plural nouns. As for example, I am happy, she is happy, you are happy, they are happy. Now students, you open your English grammar textbook. Page number 40, lesson number 13 is, are, am. Students, read with me. Hi, I am GD. She is GD. This is grammar. This is grammar. They are Post and Mag. Look at this table. I is used, I am. She, he, it, that, this. This verse is used as is. When we, you, they, those, these words come, we use are. We use are. So students, come on page number 41. Exercise A. Look at these pictures and read the sentences out loud. Now you have to read with me, students. Exercise A. Hi, I am Hamad. These are my friends, Joy, Nidhi and Shyam. We are doctors. That is our hospital. So students, in exercise A, we have to see these pictures and we have to read these sentences loudly. So you read these sentences with your parents once again. Come on, exercise B, students. Fill in the blanks with is, are or am. First one, you dash the new class monitor. So with you, we have to use it are. You are. You are. Second one, she dash riding a bike. She is riding a bike. Third one, Mummy, I dash home. I am. I am home. Fourth one, that dash the correct answer. That is. That is. Fifth one, her bag dash filled with new books. Her bag is. Her bag is. Sixth one, the garden dash full of flowers. The garden is full of flowers. Seventh one, Anita dash my sister. Anita is my sister. Eighth one, we dash hungry. We are hungry. I dash 8 years old. I am 8 years old. 10th one, Sona dash 7 years old. Sona is 7 years old. So students, here we complete our lesson number 13. So now open your English reader, page number 29. Last video we completed up to page number 28. Now today we will be doing exercise C on page number 29. Exercise C. Use am, is, are in this dialogue. Raj, I dash hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. Riya, here dash a mango. Here is a mango. Raj, dash the mango sweet. Are the mangoes sweet? Riya, this one dash tasty. So answer is. This one is tasty. Raj, eating the mango. Where dash the bananas? Where are the bananas? Where are the bananas? are the bananas. Riya, there dash no bananas. There are no bananas. Raj, I dash still hungry. I am still hungry. With I we use am. So kids, have you completed exercise C? Come on, exercise D. Use the words in the box in the sentences below. See, there are some words in this box given. We have to use it over here to fill in the blanks. First one, we dash for our bus. So we are waiting for our bus. Second one, I dash my socks. I am washing my socks. Third one, my cat dash in the sun. My cat is sleeping in the sun. Fourth one, the puppies dash with my shoe. Puppies are playing with my shoe. Fifth one, Faiz dash at the stars. Faiz is looking at the stars. Exercise E. Fill in the blanks using is or are. It is. It is. Break time. The boys and girls dash on the field. Are on the field. Some children are eating. Sami is holding a cake in his hand. There dash many crows in the sky. There are many crows in the sky. One crow dash watching Sammy. One crow is watching Sammy. The crow flies down. Sammy pops the cake into his mouth. Be careful, says the teacher. It inside. Let's use grammar. Exercise A. Look at the pictures and first one, ask questions using the word doing and second one, answer them. First, we have to ask the questions in doing words. Students, in lesson number 12, we did doing words. Right, students? So, we have to ask the questions in first one. Second is the answer given to you. So, example, what is he doing? He is watching TV. So, first one, dash the shopkeeper. Here are some pictures given over here. Here are the pictures. See students, for the first one, the what is the shopkeeper doing? Question mark. So answer you have to write, he is counting the money. Second one. Now what dash Dave question mark. Again two dash are giving pulling and again two dash is there and grinning. So in this, what is Dave doing? What is Dave doing? Question mark. He is pulling his ears and grinning. Third one. What dash Charu? Now what Charu is doing over here? What is Charu doing? Student, we have to see what Charu is doing. Come on, tell the answer. Yes, she is playing the mouth organ. Fourth one. What dash Ravi? Again two dash is there, three dash are there behind bush. Now behind bush what Ravi is doing? We have to see what is Ravi doing. He is hiding behind a bush. So completed students. Come on, exercise B. The answers are given. Ask questions beginning with what. Students, answer are given in this 4 sentence. We have to write questions for it. Example, they are playing hide and seek. So it is given, what are they playing? So first one, students, write it over here only in small sentences. Write it in very small writing. First one, Grace is giving Pretty some nuts. So answer, a question will be, what is Grace giving to Pretty? Second one, Monica is picking up the phone. What is Monica doing? Third one, Dave is hiding behind a car. Where is Dave hiding? Fourth one, Mr. Smith is having soup. What is Mr. Smith having? Students, now come on the next exercise. Let's enrich our word store. Exercise A. Pick the odd word out. There are few words given in this box. We have to pick up the odd one. Playing, football, running, walking. Students, playing, running and walking are 3 common. Only in this, football is the odd one. Next one, cats, cakes, ice creams, buns. So cats is the odd word. Calling, shouting, speaking, mouth organ. So mouth organ is the odd word. Fourth one, garden, boys, girls, children. So garden is the odd one. Come on the next page, number 32. Join words given in the left ear of the elephant with suitable ones given. So students, we have to join this word. Tea, pot, playground, blackboard, newspaper, shopkeeper. Students, you have to draw a line with a scale, proper line. Got it? Okay. In the next question, let's punctuate. Use capital letters at the beginning of these sentences. The small letters are given in brackets against each sentences. See, one dash is given. HAT are the children doing. So W small is given in this box. So W we have to write capital. Second one, they are watching cartoon films. T is small over here. So we have to write capital T. They are watching cartoon films. Now student, let's write it is given. Read this story. We have to read this with me once, and at home you read it with your parents. The girls are playing the parcel game. Charu is playing her mouth organ. The girls are passing the parcel. Now Charu has stopped playing. The parcel is with Alka. She opens it. There is a card. She reads, "Make your friend laugh." Alka goes to Meena. She tickles her. Meena laughs. So students, here we complete our English reader grammar part, lesson number 2. So students, we completed our English portion, lesson 1 and 2, grammar, lesson 1, 7, 12 and 13. So students, in the next week, we will be giving you test paper for the test. So learn for your test. Be prepared for your test. Thank you students.